Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and today's video is going to be about working with layers. I've got a lake map that's going to cut out. So I've got three things going on. I've got a raster job that's going to engrave. I've got a cut job, and then I've got an outline. I do not need the outline, but I use it to make sure when I cut the board, I leave the door open and run the red dot pointer to make sure my wood, before I spend an hour engraving and cutting, that I'm on the right size. So go up to Windows, Dockers, Object Manager, and this window will open up. Let's go right here and say New Layer, and we're going to go Outline. Hit Enter. Then I can take my rectangle and put it in that new layer just by grabbing it, holding down the left mouse button, and right there you'll see the deal, and it's in there. Now we're going to make another new layer, and we're going to call it Lake Cut. And we're going to grab our lake, and this is going to maybe show you, because we're actually grabbing our rectangle. It's showing us right there. Now you can go up to Arrange and put it in the back of a layer, but what you can also do is go right here and you can lock it. So now that outline is locked, and you'll very easily be able to grab your lake, cut, and then just grab it and put it into that layer. Now what's nice about this, not only do I have this locked so I can grab stuff, I can also tell it that I don't want to, here it is right here, I don't want to, I've got it locked, but I don't want to ever print it because I don't need it to cut because the board's already been cut. So I can do right there and press printer, and it'll disenable the printer. It cannot print that layer. And with that said, after I'm done, if I'm already run my test, I can actually hide that layer where I don't even have to look at it anymore. We'll go ahead and bring it back. Now the same thing with the lake. I can lock it. I can tell it not to print it. I can tell it I don't want to look at it. And then that way you can kind of look through there and make sure everything's gone. You got your lake all done. And where this is going to help you in printing, if by chance, and let's just say I had a hairline in this house that I drew to represent the lake house in the longitude and latitude, I could tell it, I could run two separate jobs. I could tell it not to print this ever, and then I could run my raster job, and it will not cut because I'm just running a raster. And then I could open that back up, and then I could tell it to, when I also do it, select, but you could also take your other layer and press don't print, and now it won't print anything but that lake. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.